Hello guys, today in this video I will start Node.js tutorial. So if you are interested, then follow this channel because I will show you basic to advanced of Node.js. So here we are going to be interested. So guys, follow this channel and let's start. So first of all, here just I will create a folder, because if you know in HTML, then you know when we start HTML, then we create a folder and then create a file, and we give the name of this file index.js. The Node.js is the same. So here first of all I will create a folder and I will write folder name is Node project. So this is my folder, and now I will create a file inside this folder. So first of all I will go to the Visual Studio Code editor. This is the editor. So if you don't have Visual Studio Code, then please download this Visual Studio Code and you will get any tutorial in YouTube how to download Visual Studio Code. So here just I will go to the file and I will click this add folder to workspace. So I will click this and now it's browse. So I will go to the desktop and I will open my folder where I want to store my Node.js project. So Node project, this folder I created now. So I will open this folder. So you can see it's added Node project, and now inside this Node project folder I will create a file. So here you can see this icon is create for new file. So I will click this icon and here I will write a file name. So you can write any name of this file as per your choice, but if this file will be hit at first when you will run your Node.js project. So here you can write index a app, anything like HTML. In HTML you create a first file name is index.html, but here you can write any name index or HTML, but the extension is JS because this is the Node.js. So the extension will be always JS. So here I will write the name of this file is app.js. You can write here index.js, that's your choice, but here I will write the name of app.js. So here you can see it's app.js, and now I have to create a node module. So I will go to the terminal and here is the new terminal. But if you don't have Visual Studio Code, this is the features of Visual Studio Code. You get here a terminal, but if you don't have Visual Studio Code, then you can open your command prompt also to install node modules. So here node module or package.json. So here I will create a npm init, and now I will press enter. So you need a internet connection to download this project. So I will increase the size of terminal. So here you can see package name. So the package name is nodes. You can write here any name of this package as per your choice. So I will write the node, and here you can see sorry, name can no longer contain capital letters, package name. So here you can see I had written n is the capital, so it's not supported capital letters, so I have to write only small letters. So I will write nodes. You can write any name but I am writing here nodes and enter, and the version is 1.00, it's showing here. And now again I will press enter, and the description. So description you can write any description. So here I will write Node.js tutorial. You can write any description which you want to show. So now I will press enter, and entry point app.js, because I told you at first when I will run our Node.js project, then it will be hit at first this file app.js. So you can change these files also. Here if you don't want to hit app.js at first, so you can write here your file name like index, anything you can write, index.js, anything you can write here. But here I will write I will stay here. This is default app. So here when I will run our Node.js project, then it will be here app.js. So I leave it default, and the test command, I don't need to write any test command, so I will enter git repository. If you have a git, then you can write here, but I will space blank, keywords blank, author, so you can write here author name, that means your name you can write here. So I will write my channel name, creative developer, and press enter. License, I will write here blank, and is this okay? So y for yes, or you can write here enter. So you can see it's created a package.json. So now I will decrease the size of terminal. Now everything is completed, so you can see a package.json file is created. So here you can see the name is notes, which I had written there, and the version 1.00, description Node.js tutorial, which I had written, and the main is app.js. This file will be hit when I will open my Node.js project. And test command, you can see this is default, and author name is creative developer, and license is default because I leave it blank, so it is default. So this is the package.json. This file, when I will down install any package, then it will be added inside this package.json file. It will be show the name of the package in package.json file. And now I have to install another things, that is called node module. So now here I will just write here npm I for install. You can write install also, otherwise you can write I, that's also in I for install. So here I will press enter, and it will take some time to install node module. So you can see it's created a node modules. And now here I will write a console. Now everything is done, and now here just I will write console dot log, and I will write a message, hello, this is my first Node.js project. Ctrl S for save, and here I will run my project. So first of all I will write a CLS for clear, and now here I will run this project, and the command of run this project is node is a keyword, and then you have to write the file name which you want to run. So I want to run this file app.js, so here I will just simply type app, node app, and press enter. So you can see it's showing the message, hello, this is my first Node.js project. So everything is fine. So here you can see the message. So that's that this tutorial is the basics, and the next tutorial I will show how you can create a server. Server means how you can show this message in your browser. So here I have shown this message inside this terminal in console log, but next tutorial I will show how you can show this message in server. So for that you have to create a server. So guys, follow this and watch my next tutorial. And if you are not following me in Facebook and Instagram, then go to the description and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And if you want to Angular, then you go to the playlist and watch my Angular tutorials also.